Today I'm gonna replace the drive belt on this DR Stump Grinder. This is the Pro XL SP. This is the only stump grinder they sell that's self-propelled, and it's run off of this belt here, 3L390. So basically the way it works is when the cutting head is moving, it turns this pulley here, goes to the belt, and then goes around this pulley here. And it's kept under tension with that little spring. It's all this dirt and stuff in the pulley because I ran the machine with the belt gone. I was on a job and the old belt snapped on me. I had to finish the job. I could still, it still grinds. It just, you have to push it around by hand, which is a pain. This spring here, this will go the hole here. Yeah, so there's a hole right here. That spring goes right in there. Just like that. Get the belt on first. So the cutter head only goes one direction, right? That pulley's going to go clockwise. So we got to figure out which way this needs to go to drive. Because if you have it on backwards, basically you'll go to engage it and drive and you'll be in reverse. So I've already done this once. So if you look here, I kind of drew a diagram of the belt needing to go that way, just in case I have to do this out in the field, which happens. So yeah, the cutter head only goes that direction. So when that's moving, it's pulling like that. Obviously it's going to be under tension. Now you got to get that spring back into place. That. Get the spring back in. Just to review, the belt goes over like that, and then around like that. You get the spring back in place, and that's it. And like I said, I've already done this once, so I drew the route of the belt up here, just in case. Well, the most difficult thing about that is getting to it. Normally these plates are here. Normally this is not all exposed like that. That's probably why it's so dirty. But probably the hardest part is taking all these plates off to get to that. But I left them off last time it broke, just in case I had to do it again, and I did. But really what I should do now is just power wash under here so it's clean, and then put the plates back on, because not having the plates is spitting a lot of wood chips and stuff up in here, and that's probably why it slipped off. Wood chips are flying into the pulley here and allowed the belt to slip off. So there's a good lesson.